4,200 miles away in Queensferry, Scotland, there's a monster shipping challenge, and it's a tall order. Scotland needs a brand new river crossing. Once complete, the 1.7-mile Queensferry road crossing will be the longest 3-tower cable-staying bridge in the world. And it will carry up to 75,000 vehicles across the River Forth every day. The challenge is getting parts built 5,600 miles away in China, shipped to the site and moved into position 180 feet above the River Forth. In all, the bridge will consist of 104 separate deck sections, and today, a special piece has just arrived from Shanghai on the 27,000-ton cargo vessel, Carolean. On board are 10,275-ton sections of steel deck frame that will support a concrete and tarmac road surface.
We're just heading down to the ship to go get started for today's offload.
Engineer Catherine Quillen must ensure the unload happens without a hitch.
I'm the main person who kind of manages the guys and makes sure everything that needs to get done is getting done. And I get to be my natural, somewhat bossy self. It plays well to my strengths.
It's a massive project. Construction began nearly 5 years ago, and the steel decks are the last critical pieces.
The towers we're building right now, we're building out like a little T, like our little arms are going out, 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 out. And so as they grow out, their arms, eventually they'll touch in the middle. Where they touch in the middle, that's called the closure, and this is the closure piece right here. So they're all important pieces, but this is the very, very last piece we'll erect.
Most of the deck sections are 52 feet long, but the closure piece is 20 to fit the gap in the middle of the bridge. It will be unloaded onto 2 self-propelled modular transporters, or SPMTs.
I'll hold the end, yeah.
But first, Supervisor Lee Wilcox needs to position 4 steel beams across the 2 transporters that will support the closure piece in the yard.
These guys will position it over the top of the trailer. We'll land it on the car mag exactly where we want it. It's just a case that we'll just make sure it lands on the trailer square.
Slowly, the closure piece inches its way down towards the trailer. But landing it squarely is not easy.
That beam, here. Keep tightening yours up.
Hold for me, darling. Since this is a little bit of a different segment, we just had to put some marks down on it. And now the guys are putting on the come-alongs that you can see. It helps them to gain a little bit more control to align it before it comes down onto the SPMT itself.
It's vital the team set the closure piece down in exactly the right position. That's because moving 275 tons of steel around the yard is a challenge.